Sasagutin natin today yung ibang mga request na nare-receive natin sa ating inbox. So, ang topic natin ngayon is yung aming recommendation for chemical engineering books. Marami na kami na-receive ng mga questions or mga requests na nanghihingi ng recommendations namin about chemical engineering books. So, recently, we received some requests from our followers asking for some book recommendation sa chemical engineering. So, kaya ginawa namin itong article na to. Well, ipapanguna na namin that these are just our recommendation base sa mga nagamit namin nung kami nasa university pa, no? So, marami kayong mga dapat i-consider na maaaring magkaroon ng mga pagkakaiba. For example, different schools or professors may require different books or references. You also have to take note that there are other books or references available aside sa mga ipapakita namin sa presentation na to. And also, you may find na yung mga pinopost namin maybe is not the latest version. So, kung bibili man kayo ng books or maghahanap kayo ng books para nagagamitin ninyo, you might as well research kung ano yung latest edition ng books na ipapakita namin. Okay? So, by the way, yung mga nagme-message sa amin, kaya sila nagtatanong what books na mare-recommend namin for chemical engineering kasi they are planning to purchase some book, no? So, lang hindi nila alam kung ano ba yung dapat nilang bilhin. Okay, so let us now proceed to our discussion. Before we proceed sa ating featured video, please make sure that you are subscribed sa ating YouTube channel and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga ipopost naming mga video. Like and share our Facebook page and please join our growing community sa engineers.org. Okay, so ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung aming recommendation for chemical engineering books. So, by the way, karamihan sa mga ipapakita naming books ngayon is available naman sa ating website, no, sa www.engineers.org. So, may mga books tayo na sinishare doon na pwede ninyo magamit. So, at the end of this video, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano mag-register sa engineers.org at para magkaroon kayo ng access sa mga e-books natin. Okay, so syempre, ang una pag-uusapan natin yung Chemical Engineering Handbook. And when it comes to Chemical Engineering Handbook, syempre, nandyan na yung Paris Chemical Engineers Handbook. So, ito yung latest edition, yung 9th edition, pero ito yung pinakamaraming kopya ngayon, yung 8th edition natin. Well, there are other handbook ng chemical engineering, for example, itong Albright's Chemical Engineering Handbook. Pero to be honest, hindi namin ito ginamit nung kami nasa university. So, maybe other schools or other professors are referring to this, pero in my case kasi hindi namin to ginamit. Okay? But it is good to have this reference and this is also available sa engineers.org for free. And now, let's go to Chemical Engineering Calculations book, no? So, nangunguna dyan sa recommendation namin is yung book ni David Himmelblue and Riggs. Okay, so followed by yung libro ni Felder. So, ito yung mga usually na ginagamit sa mga schools. Pero, usually, ginagamit din namin itong Handbook of Chemical Engineering Calculation by Hicks and Choppy. Okay? So, ito yung mga books na pwede nyo i-consider. Pwede ninyo siyang i-research, tignan kung ano ba yung mas applicable or mas komportable sa inyo. Okay, next, yung mga unit operations, separation processes, mass transfer, and heat transfer book. So, pinagsama-sama na natin to kasi yung ibang unit operations book, kasama na kasi siya doon. Maraming mga topic ang covered ng unit operations and separation processes. Kaya, pinagsama-sama na natin. Okay? So, una na dyan is yung my personal choice ko to, is yung book na Transport Processes and Separation Processes Principle by Christy Ginkoplis. Okay? So, ako, usually, ito yung ginagamit kong reference kapag nagre-research ako ngayon. And then, yung Unit Operations of Chemical Engineering by McCabe, Smith, and Harriot. So, yan, usually, ginagamit to sa mga universities, as reference. Tapos, itong Principles of Unit Operation by Faust, Wenzel, and the other authors, no? And then, we have other books. Etong Unit Operations na sinulat ni George Brown. Ako, I like this book lalo na kapag ang pinag-uusapan is about materials handling, and screening or sedimentation, kasi mas maganda or mas maliwanag na naipakita doon, mas detalyado niyang naipakita dito yun sa book na to. So, I think it's a good reference lalo na sa ganung mga topics, no? And then we have Separation Processes, Chemical and Biochemical Operation by Cedar, Henley, and Roper. And another good book, ito, yung Mass Transfer Operations na sinulat ni Robert E. Treibal. Ako, ginagamit ko rin to kahit ngayon during research. Kapag nagre-review ako, binabasa ko pa rin tong Mass Transfer Operation ni Treibal. Now, when it comes to mass transfer and heat transfer, napakarami kasing references, no? So, covered na rin naman siya dun sa mga books na pinakita ko kanina. Pero, marami kayong makikita talagang books na available about heat and mass transfer kasi hindi lang naman chemical engineering ang nag-aaral ng topic na to, no? So, talaga marami kayong makikitang references. So, I think di nyo naman kailangan basahin lahat ito, no? Or magkaroon ng lahat ng books na to. So, I think yung mga pinakita kong books kanina, basta mai-research nyo lang yan, mapag-aralan nyo, I think that will be fine. And then when it comes to process and equipment design, meron tayong Plant Design and Economics for Chemical Engineers by Peters and Timmerhouse. And meron naman tayong Chemical Process Equipment Selection and Design by Stanley Wallace. Okay? So basically, meron pa kayong makikitang iba't ibang book sa market na available, pero etong dalawang to lang talaga yung ginamit namin nung kami nasa university. And when it comes to thermodynamics, syempre, ang gamit natin is itong Introduction to Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics by Smith, Van Ness, and Abbott, no? So, of course, itong gagamitin natin because we are chemical engineer, no? Well, it will be funny kung yung professor mo in chemical engineering will ask you to get the mechanical engineering thermodynamics, no? So, we are chemical engineers, so we are using this. And this is a very good book. In fact, yung chemical engineering manuals natin is referring most of the time sa book na to. Kaya, this is very useful. Now, dahil nga yung thermodynamics is used in other field of engineering, napakaraming references niyan. Marami kayong makikita. But in our case, ito talaga yung magagamit natin sa university. Kasi, ito yung reference natin as chemical engineers. And then, tinatanong din tayo, what are the books that we recommend for physical chemistry? So, when we talk about physical chemistry, andyan yung Atkins, no? Physical chemistry book. And widely used talaga sa amin nung college kami is itong Fundamental of Physical Chemistry by Maron and Lando. So, makikita nyo naman ang ebidensya, no? Gamit na gamit itong book na nandito ngayon sa picture. And by the way, that is not my book. Ito ang book ko. So, ginamit ko lang yung picture na yan para ipakita sa inyo kung gaano talaga gamit na gamit yung book na yan when it comes to physical chemistry. Well, kaya naman mukhang bago pa tong book ko kahit na ilang taon na yan. Dahil tamad ako magbasa. Okay. And then, marami rin nagtatanong sa atin, what books do we recommend for reaction kinetics? So, naandyan yung Chemical Reaction Engineering by Octave Levenspiel. Okay? And we also have The Elements of Chemical Reaction Engineering by H. Scott Fugler. So, yan. Itong dalawa na to, lagi namin ginagamit yan sa university nung nagtitake kami ng chemical engineering. And Chemical Processes Industry. So, nandyan yung Shreve's Chemical Process Industries. So, yan din ang reference namin sa subject na yan. And when it comes to Instrumentation and Process Control, itong ginagamit naming book, yung Chemical Process Control by George Stephanopoulos. And then, Material Science and Engineering. So, ang ginagamit namin is Material Science and Engineering by William Callister. Okay, so maaaring iba't ibang book ang ginagamit natin kasi maraming books ang Material Science and Engineering. No? So, but in our case, ito yung ginamit namin reference. Well, of course, marami tayong hindi ipinakita rito, no? Yung mga books about mathematics, general chemistry, analytical chemistry, organic chemistry, engineering economics, and physics. So these are more on general engineering subjects kasi, no? So, nag-focus tayo sa mga ginagamit talaga natin in chemical engineering. Well, we are hoping na yung mga nakikinig sa atin na iba pang chemical engineer, kasi maaaring may na-miss kami or meron silang ibang book na prefer or ginamit sa university that time. So, I hope they will comment on this video para makabasa ng mga estudyante pa na nanonood din ng video na to. So, as promised, katulad ng binanggit natin kanina, yung mga books na pinakita natin, karamihan doon is available sa ating website sa www.engineers.org. So, this website is dedicated to Filipino engineers, Filipino engineering students, and Filipino STEM students. So, kung magre-register kayo dito, magkakaroon kayo ng access sa iba't ibang PDF books na sinishare namin. So, paliwanag natin paano ba mag-member sa engineers.org. So first is that you can sign in to engineers.org. So pag nagpunta kayo sa website, ito ang una nyo makikita. So kung meron na kayong account, you just need to register or sign in. Pero kung wala naman, you will need to create an account. So if you click that, it will lead you to this registration page. So you need to fill up the form and click on the button below para ma-register kayo. But after doing that, we will send a code into your email which you need to confirm. This is to make sure that people registering to our website is using their own email address. So para masigurado namin na talagang ikaw yan and you use your own email address sa pag-register sa ating website. Now once you are registered, you will see this news feed page, no? So ito yung parang social media natin. Dito tayo nagpo-post ng ating mga contents. So dito pwede kayo mag-post, pwede kayo mag-share ng mga videos nyo para makita ng iba pang engineer. So you can see from the right side, we have many groups here, hindi lang chemical engineering. We have mechanical engineering, we have engineering students, STEM students, at iba pa. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to click on groups. Okay, so once you click on the groups, you will see this list of groups na meron tayo. So meron tayo iba't ibang field ng engineering dito, civil engineering, meron tayong electrical engineering. Of course, we are chemical engineers, so we will choose chemical engineering group. At yung mga students naman, pwede rin silang mag-register sa iba pang groups. Okay? Now, once inside the chemical engineering group, meron tayo ditong feed. So, may sariling discussion area yung chemical engineering dito, no? At meron din tayo ditong forum. So, dito, pag nag-post tayo, pwedeng sumagot yung iba pang chemical engineers na or students na member sa grupo natin, no? But, since ang topic natin is how can we access the e-books, so, naandito yan sa ating subgroups. So, kasi itong chemical engineering group, this is a public group. So, kahit sino pwedeng mag-join dyan. Pero itong e-books natin is a private group. So, hindi lahat pwedeng magkaroon ng access nito. Once you click sa discussion, you will see this Chendicato group. So, you need to join this Chendicato group. Kasi this is a private group. Kaya makikita ninyo, this is a group limited to members of Chendicato. Okay? But when you request for membership, this will require approval from the admin. So, once you request, kailangan maghintay kayo until you are approved. And once you are approved, ma-access nyo na tong group natin. So, we do this because this group is strictly for Filipino. Hindi tayo mag-a-accept sa Chendicato ng hindi Filipino. Okay? So, once nasa loob ka na ng Chendicato group, go to the discussion area and then subscribe to the forum na nakikita ninyo, yung Chemical Engineering Library. So, you just hit subscribe, no need for approval. Once you subscribe, kaya lang kayo nagsusubscribe dyan, para every time na may ipopost, manonotify kayo. Maglalabas na siya sa inyong news feed. So, you don't need to go to this group directly, no, every time na kukunin ninyo yung password. So, lalabas siya sa feed natin. So, ito na yon. Magpo-post tayo ng mga books and then the password. So, nandyan na rin yung link. So, pag kinlik nyo yan, dadali na kayo sa page kung saan pwede nyo ma-download yung books natin. Okay? So, from there, you will have the access to the ebook with the corresponding password. Okay? So, we are hoping that you are going to join the engineers.org. So, later on, we are hoping na lumaki yung grupo natin at mas marami tayong mga engineers na makasama sa grupo. In this way, we are going to help each other and have a very strong community of Filipino engineers. So, that is all for now, and I'll see you on our next articles.